Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's channel. This is Caitlin. Today the product we're going to share with you is our hot sealing valve assembly. If you're interested about this product, please follow me. Let's see more details. And firstly, I would like to show you the outside packages, the blue VCR anti-rust bag, and here this is the product label. And the first line is our Shumatt's brand. The second line is the product code F00VC01315. Actually, we support customized service, so if you want to design the logo label packages, we can help you to do that. Instead of it is the transparent bottles can be better avoid damages during the transportation, and now we will check the inside product for you. While your oil paper to wrap it up, each product will supply 6 months warranty time, so you've got the quality guaranteed. For this one, the plug cable injector number is 0445110136, etc. Here I just list one of them. Take a look for the valve assembly. This one plug cable for vehicle cars, Ford, Citroen, Mazdas, Volvo, and Porsche. Look at the valve cap with the coating figures on the groove. And this is the valve rod. We'll install the valve assembly. The first steps you should do to make sure the valve cap in the right position. And the second step is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly up the injector body. That's the small tips. Okay, that's the introductions. It's time to say goodbye. So thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. See you.